Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Now in this video we're going to be looking at EURCHF. Now this is going to be a very tricky one. It's going to be a very tricky one because EURCHF is currently, as we look at the 4-hour time frame right now, it's currently at the major zone, at the very major zone. But the problem is if this price happens to sell off, it gives us a sell entry. We do not have where we could call a target. We don't have the next support area, right? So it's going to be a very tricky one, but we're going to break that down for you. Let's begin from the monthly time frame. Okay guys, this is the monthly time frame. That's been okay. Let me get rid of this green thingy right here. Okay, now on the monthly time frame we can see how that the price has been moving in a very heavy downtrend, like almost from inception. It's just been falling off, EURCHF down, right? Is it possible it wants to create new all-time lows? Because you see how it has, in one candle, it has broken our final line of defense on the monthly time frame, and it's obviously struggling to break back in, because as we can see this bullish candle right here, see the pin, it went back up and the seller still pushed it back down, right? So could this be a sign that it wants to really sell off some more? Let's find out. Now we've already established this on a downtrend, right? Already on a downtrend. Let's go to the weekly time frame. Okay, so we can identify another downtrend, some sort of minor downtrend line from this level. From that level. Okay, bam. To get rid of this guy. Okay, so this is a minor downtrend line, well respected. Now, like we were saying at the beginning of the video, if we want to sell off, where are we going to possibly set our take profit? Right, where could we possibly set our take profit level? Now this one thing we can do. Let's check our Fibonacci extension tool. Firstly, let's look at our fib. Is it even actually respecting the 50%? Where is the price right now? Bam, bam. Now guys, this is very beautiful, right? See how the price is respecting the 50% level on the Fibonacci. Very beautiful. Now that is even more beautiful because it's going to help us identify the next level target. So we can use our Fibonacci extension tool from A to B to C. Okay, boom. All right, so we could be looking at this level for a target. Nice. So if we are going to be selling off, we'll be looking at that level for a target, 0.89995. right? Let's have this locked and done. Okay, cool. So we've gotten that information from the weekly time frame, right? Let's go back to the daily time frame and see what we find. Okay, no new information. All right. So this is also going to be a fast one. No new information. Okay, we see that the price has broken down as well with a huge candlestick, a real huge sell candlestick, right? And appears to be forming a pin bar on the resistance level, which is an additional sign for the sellers, right? I think the sellers are really dealing with EURCHF. Okay, so let's go straight to the 4-hour time frame. And see it's much more easier to analyze the chart when it's on a weekly, when it's on a major zone already. Right, it's much easier to analyze it on the major zone. So all you need to do firstly is identify your major levels on the monthly and the weekly time frame. Identify your major levels and then scale down to a lower time frame to get to entries. Right, that's very easy, very easy. So we could also draw, well, this is going to be a very far-fetched counter trend line in my opinion. I don't work with this, but it could serve as a take profit level anyway. So we'll just keep that there just to have it in sight. It could serve as a take profit level because when the price gets here, it might struggle a bit. The problem is it could struggle, go back up, hit your stop loss, and then come back down. So we just might lock some profit at that level. Let's see if it will match up our rule when there's an entry. Right. So now the price has, firstly the price broke up here, went up, couldn't hold, came back to retest and has broken the level again. Right. Now what are we waiting for on Euro CHF? We just want the price to break. It's already broken, retest, it has already retested. Now we want a break below this level, a break and close below this level. Once we have a break and close below this final level right here, we are going in for a sell. Right, so we could then have our take profits, our entry like this, somewhere down there, stop loss above this area. Now it's just 51 pips, and then we could take our take profits below this level. So that will give us a good 7-to-1 reward to risk ratio. Right, but up until then we're going to be watching. Let's wait and see how the market plays out. It just might go back in. Right, if it goes back up, this is what we expect. Similarly, the same thing in reverse. It breaks, right, it just might even go up to form a double top, interestingly. So it just might take longer than we are expecting, but no matter how long it takes, we are going to be waiting for the price to play out and confirm to us that it's ready. So it just could go up, then come back, retest, and then breaks, closes above the previous swing, and then we'll be ready for a buy. Most likely it's going to continue going down a little bit more. So we'll just watch that and see how it plays out. Right. So if this video was helpful to you, make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on subsequent videos like this. We'll be posting more updates, and I think you should check out our Bitcoin and gold video. They're playing out pretty much very well, and some other videos in the history. You should check them out, it'll be helpful to you. If you're interested in joining our VIP channel, the link will be in the description below. Alright guys, see you in the next one.